Today I want to take one new activity. That activity name is chain drill activity. Start.
What is your father name? My father name is Yazidin. What is your father name? My father name is Sheikh Irfan. What is your father name? My father name is Muhammad Sheikh. What is your father name? My father name is Nazib Beg. What is your father name?
जोर से